Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. I am excited to participate in the What Would You Make collaboration. As hosts, we have Divine Designs and Rustic and Lace DIY. As co-hosts, we have Crafting My Best Life with Lisa. The links to their channels and the playlist will be in the description box. For this DIY, we will need a wooden tray like this, two 5-inch wooden plaques, one 4-inch wooden plaque. I will use this piece that came from the bottom of a wooden candlestick and a wooden knob for the tip of the lamppost. We will use some square dowels and finally a rail wooden post. Let's get started. I went ahead and cut the dowels to size, 7 inches tall. I cut my dowels with a 5-degree angle, but it is unnecessary as the angle is so small. First, I will attach each dowel on each corner using tacky glue. Next, I will glue the small plaque to the bottom of the wooden tray, which will be the top of the lamppost. Then I will attach the knob to the wooden piece as you can see here. Now that these pieces are nice and dry, I will glue them together to start building the lamp. It is time to glue the tip of the lamp using some tacky glue. To attach the post, I will drill holes at the top and bottom and insert some screws for a seamless finish. Also, I will make holes at the bottom of the lamp and the other plaque, which will be the base of the post. Now I will assemble everything and we will have a 3-foot tall lamppost. Next, I will paint the lamppost with this metallic charcoal paint. This is what we have so far. What do you guys think? I will attach these two eye hooks to hold the garland. I will use this garland, but I want it fuller, so I will add more picks and fairy lights. Here is the final reveal. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this lamppost. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one.